Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 27th of October 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on expiry on Bank Nifty October Future and Nifty October Future. Alright, so looking at Nifty, the open is 17,795 while the high is at 17,818 while the low is at 17,655 while the previous close was at 17,654. Alright, now let's come back on the charts. We are on 3 minutes time frame and we can see how the movement has been happening since last Friday and then went up till 40,000. Today it was created 17,800 and today it had even broke the high and almost touched to 17,815 change, and then but it could not stay there, it could not resist. Okay, and then it took a lot of heavy rejection from there and quickly made a low of 17,763. From here made a high of 17,787 and from there it quickly touched this support level and then broke the support number 1, and from here and within approximately 10 to 12:30 it touched this first support line which was created as 17,694. all right, so after that being a little bit sideways post 2:30 it made a quick drop of 17,654, fill this gap. After filling the gap it quickly exploded towards the upside and the Nifty closed at 17,735 while the PCR is also looking very bullish. Okay, it's 0.81. Now coming to Bank Nifty October Future, the previous closing was at 41,101 while the open was at 41,475 while the low was at 41,175 and then high was created at 41,500. and then when we come to the Bank Nifty and we can see how the chart is. Okay, the gap has yet to be filled and we can expect the gap to be filled tomorrow, but before moving ahead I would let me finish how the market perform and then I'll give you my own prediction of what may happen tomorrow. Okay, so the market is over here. The market has made a quick high of 41,447 in the morning itself, which was 9:15, and then quickly dropped to 41,315 and then again top back to 41,500 and change, and then high on the chart is 41,475 while then from here it quickly took a rejection just like the Nifty 50 October Future did, and from here it kept on falling, and then after falling we can see with help of trend line, okay, how the market has been moved. Okay, so it made a lower lows, touched back, up went again went down, slightly up, again went down, touched this and then broken this. Okay, this support has been broken and then it tried to touch the support number 2 but it failed, and then it quickly took a bounce back, and from here after taking the bounce it got tired. After it gets tired it quickly touches to 41,183 and then quickly recovers to 41,300 to Bank Nifty closing price. All right, now what may happen in Nifty tomorrow? So if we zoom it out, we still this gap has been filled by Nifty, this gap yet to be filled. Okay, if I take you on the option analysis on Nifty option chain by Sensible, okay, we can clearly see here that the PCR is 0.8. okay, 0.8, and then which also indicates that there is a max pain would be at 17,700 and right now the closing is 17,735. okay, and we can even see how this thing is gonna go. Yeah, so there's a lot of call shorting has been done. So we can see the red line over here, the call has been shorted at 17,755, which also clearly indicates that there is no upside move to be expected. See, there's nobody who has shorted put. Everyone, we can see the shorting at 17,750, 800 and 18,000. okay, a lot of this has been shorted, but over the put short, the people who have wrote the put over the people who have wrote options call options, yeah, we can clearly see that the call writers are the winners. All right, now let us come back to the option chain of Bank Nifty October Future. you can see the PCR here is also 0.94. okay, and we can see the max pain is here at 41,300. A lot of people have wrote there are a lot of writing has been done at 41,300 and call writing. Okay, and then it has gone up like this, and then this was today's expiry. Okay, this was today's expiry, and a lot of people have done a call writing at 41,300, and we can expect tomorrow to be kind of the same. But if we come on 3rd November and see, the PCR is 0.93 and 0.4. There's not much difference. Okay, a lot of call writings have been done at 41,500 call option, 41,300 call option. Okay, but if we see on the and 42,500 as well. Okay, but the most major shorting has been done at 41,500, and at the bottom put we can see is 40,500. That means no chance. I mean, come on, there's a huge 1,000 points gap. Okay, so we can expect anywhere between the market to open anywhere between 41,000 to 41,100 to 40,900. We can expect the markets to open. All right, so that will be my call, and Nifty we can expect around 17,700, 650, in that kind of a range. All right, yeah. So well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace.